In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop folders opening in separate windows and Windows 11 or on your Windows 10. So this should be a quick and easy process. So all you have to do is to go ahead to the search menu, type in File Explorer option. And then after that, the first result, just go ahead and click on Open, which is the first option. And then after that, the File Explorer options will open up for you. Now, as you can see, there is two options. Just check mark open each folder in the same window. After that, just click on Apply and then OK, and then you should be all good to go. And then after that, for changes to take place, just go ahead, restart your computer, and you should be all good to go. So this was how to stop folders opening in separate windows and Windows 11 or on your Windows 10. As always, thank you for watching.